We good to move on? Let's do it. Come on down. All right, True.
Yes.
We got that shot. Why don't you give us Cairo in 5, please?
Okay, you got it, boss. Strike the tempo set. We are moving to Cairo in 5 minutes, people. Cairo in 5. All right. Well, welcome to Indiana Jones Epic Stunt Spectacular. Hello, everyone. Looking good out there. My name is Trude. I am the assistant director of the second unit. The second unit shoots most of the stunts and action sequences for movies like Raiders of the Lost Ark. And today we're going to show you how stunt work on the second unit is created. All right. Hey, boss.
Yes.
Could I borrow Indy for just a minute?
You can. We got to keep moving, though.
Okay. Got it, folks. Let me introduce you to one of our Harrison Ford stunt doubles. Please put your hands together for Steven! Oh yeah, hey you. Listen, what you do is incredible and very dangerous.
Yeah.
Very dangerous. So I want to ask you how you do it. Yeah, thank you.
I make it up as I go.
Okay, not exactly what I was expecting. But I'm not sure they're actually buying it, to be honest. You have to be a little bit nervous up there when you're doing that, right?
It's crazy not to be a little bit nervous.
Okay.
See, there's a certain amount of risk and danger involved in every stunt that we do. If I didn't fully trust my stunt team to have my back, I never would have tried anything. Here, it's all about teamwork.
Teamwork! Man, I love hearing that. Speaking of teamwork, put those hands together for our epic stunt team! Come on, let's hear it! Let's meet our stunt professionals. Hey! Keep it going for Zach! Travis! Alex! Joshy Josh! Megan!
TT!
Alejandro! Big Nova! And welcome to our set. Our stunt double for Karen Allen, playing the role of Marion Ravenwood. One of the best in the business. It is Haley! Hello, everyone! Thank you so much! Yeah, girl. Woo. We are so proud of the team that we have put together here. They're an amazing group of stunt performers, and they are the real stars who will bring our version of Cairo to life for you here today. So I really can't wait for you to see them in action. Let's hear it one more time for our epic stunt team! Oh yeah, look at that. Amazing. Now every person on our set is a skilled professional, trained in their craft to embody the role they play in this dynamic scene that we're about to shoot. From heroes to villains, these actors step into the story the minute that the cameras roll, which is going to happen any minute. And before we get there, we need you, so we're going to bring back our awesome casting director. Let's hear it for Mindy!
Thank you. They did all the work. You all are terrific. I said, listen, I need y'all to make noise for Indiana Jones. And you said, we got you, Mindy. Excellent work. Lila and Elliot starting things off. That was terrific. If you are just joining us, my name is Mindy. I'm the casting director. Part of my job is casting background talent. That's all of you. You're here. You're doing a great job. I want to encourage you to continue to be very vocally engaged as we are moving into these next 2 scenes. You can see the cards starting to move away. This is called the Cairo Marketplace, and we're adding in that stunt team you just met. So there's going to be a lot of action taking place. That means I'm looking for big reaction coming from all of you. So all of these big moments, tumbling passes, people climbing onto buildings and jumping off of buildings and falling off of buildings, all those big moments that you will know. I want you to be very involved, clapping and cheering and whistling and all the good stuff, just like you did in scene 1. All right, we're going to move to the portion where we capture your voices, so let's check in.
Get out of here! Come on! Get up!
I ain't going anywhere. I need to stop the plane.
I'm trying! Got it! Give me the map! It's broken!
Open it, Marion.